Welcome to the Amused Nomad. This video is the first in what I hope will be a series of motorcycle rides in the Toronto area. Today we're going to ride from the beginning of the Queensway to its terminus. This route stretches from the bustling Roncesvalles Avenue all the way to Old Carriage Road or Glengary Road, depending on your map, in Mississauga. So hop on and let's explore together. We're starting our journey on Roncesvalles Avenue. The area is known for its rich history and vibrant community, often called Roncy by the locals. The Queensway begins at the bottom end of Roncesvalles. Turning onto the Queensway, we pass the TTC Roncessvalles Car House, a storage and maintenance facility for the streetcar network. This car house has been operating since 1895, and it's the oldest of the three operating TTC car houses. We're now passing St. Joseph's Healthcare Centre, a key healthcare facility serving the west end of Toronto since 1921. The Queensway was established in the 1950s as part of the Gardner Expressway project. It's a major arterial road that runs parallel to Lake Ontario, offering a unique mix of urban landscapes and green spaces. On the right is Hyde Park, one of Toronto's largest and most beloved parks, featuring everything from hiking trails to a zoo. I've made a video on the Hyde Park cherry blossoms. I'll post a link in the description. I'm also working on a video on the Hyde Park Zoo. You can't see it from this angle, but on the right is Grenadier Pond. The pond used to extend to where we're riding, but this section was filled in the 1950s to build the Queensway. Up here on the left is the Ontario Food Terminal, a major depot and exchange point for fresh produce. As we continue west, we ride through Etobicoke. Etobicoke comes from the indigenous Mississauga word meaning the place where the alders grow. Etobicoke was a separate city until it was amalgamated with Toronto in 1989. Multiple new condo buildings are being built along this section of the Queensway. You can't see it from this angle, but if you turn left at this intersection, you arrive at Costco. This is the intersection with Islington Avenue. On the left, where these condos are being built, were restaurants and a parking lot for a movie theater not that long ago. This is the intersection with Kipling Avenue. This overpass goes over a major railway corridor. A big IKEA is on the left. We're about to go under Highway 427, but it looks like the road service is under construction. On our left is Sherway Gardens, one of Ontario's premier shopping destinations. It's a huge mall. If you're in the mood for some retail therapy, this is a place to be. We're now crossing into Mississauga, a city that borders Toronto to the west, known for its diverse culture and a robust economy. When I filmed this, Mississauga had just inaugurated their new mayor, Carolyn Parrish. The previous mayor, Bonnie Crombie, had become head of the Ontario Liberal Party. This is the intersection of Dixie Road. You'll notice a lot of green space to the left. This used to be an electricity transmission right-of-way. When the lines were rerouted, they turned the right-of-way into parkland. This is Cawthra Road, another major north-south route in Mississauga. We're approaching Hurontario Street. All of this construction is due to the Hurontario LRT line that they're building. And the line will run all the way along Hurontario Street from Port Credit train station to Steeles Avenue in Brampton. Trillium Health Centre is on the left. As you can see, the area we're in is very suburban and features lots of green space. Here we are, at the end of our journey on Old Carriage Road, the end of the Queensway and the end of this particular journey. Time for me to turn around and head back home. Thanks for joining me on this ride along the Queensway. If you enjoyed the journey, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an adventure. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring.